How to filter videos on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can filter your videos on YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, head over and open your YouTube application and you will be redirected to your homepage. So what you're going to do is click on the search icon at the top right, and here you can search for any video that you want. For example, I'm going to search for this one. And once you do so, what you're going to do is you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. So what you're going to do is click on these three dots over here. And then you're going to click on search filters. And here there are numerous filters that you can apply. You can sort by, you can select type, you can select upload date, duration, and features, and also other stuff. So you can manually select the filters that you wish to apply to your videos. For example, I'm going to make the videos such as under 4 minutes, and I want them to be in HD with subtitles. And you can also make it if I want it to be video, and upload date should be this month. And once you do so, you got to go back and you'll be able to see that all of the videos you see now will be according to the filters that you just applied. So that is basically how to filter videos on YouTube. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.